Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. This video is going to be an unboxing of the mini shine paint gun from Italco. So let's just get started with the unboxing, see what's inside. This is the same design as the other one that I have, but this one's the mini. This is a smaller version of it. So let's just open it up, see what's inside. Alright guys, starting off, let's open it up. Right there, the CFMs, the pressure it uses, and everything. Alright, let's open it up. First of all, you have your cup. Right there. You have your tools to disassemble, to clean it. Everything's there. And you have your manual. Alright, this is the exact copy of the Shine 1, the HVOP, the other one that I have. The only difference is this is a minigun. Alright, and let's there it is, guys. Right there. It's a nice weight to it, and they actually included my logo in the gun. I don't know if you can see it. It's a nice touch. Thank you, Italco, for doing that. But let me just put it together. And this gun, guys, this gun can be used for a lot of different things. I'm going to be using it to be painting some graphics, some lowrider graphics that are coming soon. I'm also going to be painting some rims with this one, and some other little touch-up things that you need to do. Alright, I'm going to leave all the information again to the company down there on the description. You can go ahead and take a look at them. Fits nice in the hand, real nice. It doesn't weigh a lot also. But the review on the gun is coming soon, guys. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna be doing a lowrider graphic design on a hood. The complete hood is gonna be lowrider graphic design, so I'm gonna be using this gun with it. All right, and that's it. That's all that comes in the box. Again, guys, is a little short unboxing of the mini shine by Italco. Alright guys, and this will be it for this video, guys. This is mid video week. Hope you guys like it, hope you guys enjoy it, and there's more videos to come this coming weekend also, guys, so stay tuned for that. And this will be it, guys. Alright guys, thank you very much. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. There's more videos to come. There's more stickers left. If you guys want a sticker, go to my commentary page, and there's a description as to how to get one. Alright guys, thank you. Like always, God bless.